Hi guys, I'm so excited you could join us today. Grab a cup of coffee or your beverage of choice and come hop with us. Today is the new fall release inspiration hop for Not Too Shabby. We have a hop and a giveaway, and I'm giving away 3 prizes. So you'll have a chance to win a $25 gift card, a $15 gift card, and a $10 gift card to Not Too Shabby. To participate in the hop, click the hashtag N2S fall release. That's going to bring up all the videos in this hop. You can start from the top and work your way down. Leave a comment along the way. Like and subscribe is always appreciated. We love connecting with you. You can ring that bell to get notified when my next video is published. After you completed the hop, the next thing to do is click on the raffle copter link that's in the description box. That will take you to raffle copter, and there is where you're going to enter into the giveaway. Please comment on each YouTube video and then go to the raffle copter link. You're going to see 4 options on ways to earn entries into the giveaway. You can choose to enter with one of the options or all of the options. That's up to you. The more options you do, the more chances you'll have to win. This giveaway will end on August 23rd. I will pull the winners from the raffle copter entries 48 hours after the giveaway has ended. I will then contact the winner. Then you will have 7 days to respond to claim your prize. Now let's dig into these cards. So these are the cards that I've been making for the new release, Inspiration. And I am having so much fun creating cards with the new release. I hope you guys do too. And if you do create something and post it on social media, hashtag me with Not Too Shabby Shop. That way I could check out your creations. So here's the card that we're going to be making today. I used the stamp set Fall Gnomes and also the stamp set You, Me, and Pumpkin Spice. I did pull in the sentiment from our Pumpkin Spice Everything stamp set. Thanks a latte. I created a slimline card for you and a hand-drawn birch tree that we're going to create, and I'll show you exactly how I did that so you can create one too. Here are the 2 stamp sets that I used. They're super cute. I totally forgot I wanted to use that splatter stamp on the Fall Gnome stamp for a little ground for him to stand on. And I wish I would have done that, but I totally forgot. Next time, I'm sure I'm going to be playing with these stamps a lot more. This one's really cute. This is our Critter Costume Party stamp set. So let's start making the card. I'm going to show a little bit of coloring in super fast motion just so you could see how I'm coloring. I'm using my Copic markers and just a glimpse of that, and then we'll get right into making that birch tree. So when I was trying to do my layout on my long slimline card here, I was thinking maybe the hills going up, all the way up this panel. But then I got inspired and I was like, ooh, let's draw a tree, a long tree and a tree branch coming out this way where the squirrel could sit on top of the tree branch drinking his pumpkin spice, and then we could have acorns and leaves falling down, and then the gnome at the bottom. So in my head, this looks really cool. So let's see if we can execute this. And then let me think about my sentiment, where I want to put that. I was going to use the sentiment Thanks a Latte from this set here. This is from our Pumpkin Spice Everything stamp set. Maybe I can put the sentiment either under the branch right here, or maybe just at the top. It'll fit. It's a smaller sentiment. Okay, so I got my warm grays out. I think I'm going to do like a birch tree. And I'm just going to map this in with the lightest, W0. That's going to be the easiest. That way if we make a mistake, we could easily cover that up. So I'm just going to have it like half of the tree. And then we'll have the branch coming out. See, we want this angled more. See, so we will be able to cover up those mistakes because we use this lighter color here. And let's do the branch a little thin and then have it go back up and off the page. So see, he'll be just standing right there, and we'll just have this branch go off the page. So we'll get out, I'm gonna go with the W3 and go ahead and outline this better. And now I can go back with my W1 and we'll shade that out. So what's nice about the birch tree is I don't have to color the whole thing in. I can leave some of the tree white. And then the W0. Okay, so let's work on those little darker areas. I'm going to do the W5. And I'm just going to do some little flicks. Coming out from both ends. Some smaller and some bigger. Okay, now I'll just go down to W5 and W3 and just keep blending out my flicks. So we'll use Salty Ocean. And I just want a hint of color just so it represents the sky, but I want to leave a lot of white space. So I'm just going to ink up this large brush so it goes on very soft. And I'll just come off from the edge and work my way in very, very lightly. I don't want any harsh lines, just a touch of blue. Okay, I think that will do it. All right, let's put this card together. So this panel is going to go on top of this panel here. Now to get this panel, I used the Cat Scrappiness Tri-Frame Slimline die, and for this panel with the wonky stitch, I used the Whimsy Card Builder Slimline die. So I'm just going to put that in the middle of this panel here. So I'll just use my liquid adhesive for that. And then I'll put my handy magnets down so this dries flat. I'm going to pop up the little cup. Looks like he's holding the cup in front of him. Okay, so I should start thinking about where I want my sentiment. I'm going to pop him up because I want him in front of the tree. And then these little acorns will have in the background, so we won't pop that up. Put his little flower. I think that adds a cute touch. We're going to glue that straight onto his hat. So we could have it right up here in the corner. We could have it down here. Those are two good options. Let's see. So my card base, I measured at 6.5 by 8.25, and then I scored at 3.25. Let's just add some glue to the back of this. So I used the Thanks a Latte from our Pumpkin Spice Everything set. I used this cute little squirrel from the You, Me, and Pumpkin Spice set. And then I used the gnome from our Fall Gnomes, and the coffee cup, and the little acorns. And I did use the small acorn from this set here. I have leftover images that I'll put on the inside. I love that pumpkin. That pumpkin is the one from the gnome set, as well as those mushrooms. So we'll just open up our card and put these images down here. So here is the finished card. I think it looks so cute. I just love it. It was so fun to play with these images and color them up and create this little tree. And I know you guys could do it too. Just follow what I did. It's not that hard. And I hope you guys have fun. And then the inside, the remaining images. So thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoy the hop. And I will catch you real soon. Thank you. Bye, guys.